Hi, so this is the demo for the bonus features that we've added to our Sequence Breaker plugin, which is an asset action utility that allows you to quickly wrap a number of anim sequences with level sequences. So you can see here we have Manny's animations here as an example. We're going to select all of them. And when we right click, you should see a scripted asset action that is called create actor level sequence around AnimSequence. So with this activated, we have some options to customize how we want to run this asset action. And we can define a prefix or a suffix. And we can also specify an optional skeletal mesh or an actor to use as the default track for the spawnable winding. On top of that, we can customize the frame rate if we really needed to, and we can also add the layered control rig. So by default, if we don't change any of these settings, it's going to be reading the preview skeletal mesh of the animations level or animation sequences, and it's going to create a spawnable track on those and then add the layered control rig associated with the skeletal mesh on the preview skeletal mesh. So we're just going to hit OK and let this run. So it's going to take a little bit of time depending on how many animation sequences you have, but you can imagine running this on some mocap that you have. So now that we've ran the bulk operation, we can take a look at the content browser. We now have unsaved level sequences for each AnimSequence clip. And in this one, we processed the walk in place last, so it's currently open right now. But we can check a look at the, for example, the run forward. And then we can take a look at these guys right now. You can see that we have the standard setup and the frame handles are automatically scoped to the start and end frame of the animation sequence. And we've also added on a layered control rig. So from here, we can also quickly do our edits and then follow the workflows that in our other demo videos on how to work with the different modes inside of our plugin. So this is a quick tool that should help you deal with, like, for example, mocap or other animation clips that you quickly need to wrap in a level sequence to use either as a subsequence or to do animation edits. All right, thanks.